let's talk about baby birds, specifically bird nestlings. Now, when you picture them, you probably think of tiny chirping balls of fluff, right? Cute, sure, but here's a fact that's less adorable. They poop a lot. But wait, don't fly away just yet. What if I told you these little fluff balls have a clever way to deal with their mess that's more eco-friendly than some human invention? Ever wondered how baby birds have inspired modern innovation? Well, you're in the right place. Here at Dr. Wonder TV, we dive into all those big questions you've had, whether they're serious or a little silly. Let's get into it. Alright, so bird nestlings, like all babies, have to deal with certain biological functions, aka poop. But here's where things get really interesting. Some bird species have a little trick up their sleeves, or should I say feathers, to keep the nest clean and odor-free. They wrap their droppings in a biodegradable membrane. Imagine that. Nature basically invented its own little eco-friendly packaging system, long before humans thought of it. Now, what's so brilliant about it? Well, for starters, it helps keep the nest clean and smelling fresh, because nobody, not even birds, wants to live in a smelly home. This little trick of nature got innovators thinking, if birds can do it, why can't we? And boom, nature-inspired innovations started popping up. Engineers and designers have taken inspiration from this natural packaging to create better, more sustainable waste management system. From biodegradable packaging materials to eco-friendly diapers, bird nestlings gave us some fresh ideas on how to handle our messes without harming the planet. Bird nests aren't just cozy homes, they're hubs of brilliant natural design. Those little nestlings may seem simple, but their clever tricks are inspiring solutions to some of our biggest environmental issues. Who would have thought such small creatures could lead to such big ideas? If you've got more questions or fun facts you're curious about, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. Wonder TV. Keep wondering, stay curious, and always remember that sometimes the smallest creatures have the biggest ideas.